In February 2026, a developer named Peter Steinberger built a company over a single weekend. No co-founders, no employees, no venture capital. Weeks later, OpenAI acquired it. Industry insiders estimate it as the first one-person billion-dollar company in history. His secret? He didn't hire a team. He orchestrated an army of AI agents. And here's what nobody's telling you. What Peter did isn't special anymore. It's the new blueprint. Right now, in 2026, 36.3% of all new companies are being started by solo founders. Not because they can't afford to hire, because they don't need to. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact AI agent infrastructure powering these one-person empires. The specific tools, the actual workflows, the real costs, and the weekend action plan to start building yours. Let me show you what changed. 2015. You want to build a $3 million business? You need 20 to 30 employees minimum. Engineers to build the product, designers for the brand, sales team for outreach, support staff for customers, operations people for logistics, finance team for accounting, marketers for growth, office space, health insurance, payroll, management overhead, HR issues, alignment meetings. Your fixed costs are crushing. Even at $3 million in revenue, your margins are thin. You're constantly fundraising, constantly hiring, constantly managing people instead of building the business. That was the only model. Scale or die. 2026. Same $3 million business. One person, a laptop, a coffee shop, no office, no employees, no HR nightmares. Instead, you have a ghost team, a coordinated network of AI agents working 24/7. Your sales agent handles prospecting, outreach, qualification, booking. Your marketing agent creates content, posts to social, runs SEO, manages ads. Your support agent triages tickets, drafts responses, tracks satisfaction. Your finance agent categorizes expenses, generates invoices, produces reports. Your dev agent writes code, runs tests, debugs issues, deploys updates. These agents cost you $75 to $800 per month total. Compare that to one employee, $4,000 minimum, and they work while you sleep. This isn't theory. This is happening right now. Sarah Chen launched a design agency in March 2025. 8 months later, $420,000 in annual revenue. She works 25 hours per week, uses basic AI tools, no employees. Maor Shlomo built Base 44 completely alone. 6 months, 300,000 users, 3.5 million ARR. Wix bought it for $80 million. Nick Dobos runs Bored Humans solo. 8.8 million in annual revenue. The infrastructure is proven. The examples are real. The blueprint is available. Before we go further, let's be precise about what an AI agent actually is, because most people are confused. A chatbot responds to prompts. You ask ChatGPT a question, it gives you an answer. Done. That's helpful, but it's not autonomous. Example, you tell a chatbot, write me a sales email. It writes one email. You copy, paste, send. Repeat manually for every prospect. That's a tool you operate. It saves time, but you're still doing the work. An AI agent is different. An agent perceives a goal, plans the steps, executes across tools, iterates, and completes the task without you. Example, you tell an agent, generate 50 qualified leads and send personalized outreach. The agent researches companies, finds decision makers, analyzes their profiles, generates personalized emails for each person, sends them with proper warm-up, logs responses, and books meetings on your calendar. You wake up to 5 meetings scheduled. You didn't touch anything. That's the difference. An agent is an employee you direct. This infrastructure exists today. In February 2026, Perplexity launched Computer, a super agent orchestrating 19 AI models simultaneously. An enterprise study tracked over 16,000 computer queries. Result? $1.6 million saved in labor costs. 3.25 years of work completed in 4 weeks. These results were benchmarked against McKinsey, Harvard, MIT, and BCG standards. When I say AI agents replace employees, I mean it literally. Here's how solo founders actually structure their AI workforce. I call it the Ghost Team Framework. Layer 1, the lead agent. This is your Jarvis, your project manager, your chief of staff. It takes your high-level goals and breaks them into delegatable subtasks. Examples: Perplexity Computer, Claude projects with function calling, custom GPTs orchestrating other GPTs. You tell the lead agent, I need to launch a new service tier by end of month. The lead agent creates the project plan, identifies dependencies, and assigns work to specialist agents. Layer 2, mercenary agents. These are domain specialists. Sales mercenary, Seamless.ai pulls leads with intense signals. Instantly.ai sends personalized cold emails at scale. B2B Rocket acts as your autonomous SDR, prospecting, qualifying, booking meetings. You wake up to a full calendar. Marketing mercenary, ChatGPT or Claude generates blog posts, scripts, captions. Canva Magic Design creates on-brand graphics. Zapier auto-posts to all platforms on schedule. Perplexity monitors trends and suggests topics. Your content engine runs on autopilot. Support mercenary, Intercom Fin, or a custom GPT handles 80% of routine questions. Checks your knowledge base, provides accurate answers, escalates complex issues to you with full context. Your customers get instant help while you sleep. Finance mercenary, Wave or Zenny connects to your bank, categorizes every transaction automatically, generates invoices, sends payment reminders, produces monthly financial reports, flags anomalies for your review. Your books stay perfect without you touching them. Dev mercenary, Replit agent or V0 turns feature descriptions into full-stack code. Cursor handles repository-level refactoring, automated testing with self-healing tests, one-click deployment. You describe what you want, the agent builds it. Operations mercenary, Notion AI generates meeting notes, tracks action items, updates project status. Calendly or Motion AI handles all scheduling. Email assistance, triage, draft, and file messages. 2+ hours saved daily on admin work. Layer 3, the heartbeat system. This is what separates amateurs from professionals. The heartbeat runs proactively, without your input, on a schedule you set once. Every morning at 8 a.m., sales agent pulls leads, sends outreach, logs responses. Every evening at 6 p.m., finance agent reconciles transactions, flags discrepancies. Every Monday at 9 a.m., operations agent generates a performance dashboard, emails it to you. You're not managing minute by minute. You set the rhythm once. They execute forever. Sahil Lavingia. I don't have employees. I have a global network of mercenaries who are better than me at their specific jobs. Let's get brutally specific. Here are the actual tools running one-person empires in 2026, with real prices. Business formation. Auto AI automates LLC formation and FinCEN compliance filing. 20 minutes, not 2 weeks. One-time fee plus annual reminders. Development. Replit agent builds full-stack apps from descriptions. Free tier available. Pro is $20 per month. V0 by Vercel generates production code. Free tier, Pro at $20 per month. Cursor edits across your entire codebase. $20 per month. Sales and lead generation. Instantly.ai. Cold email automation with AI personalization. 30 to 50% productivity increase. Positive ROI in month 1. $37 per month. Seamless.ai, lead database with intense signals. AI-powered prospect scoring, $65 per month. B2B Rocket, fully autonomous SDR agent, handles prospecting, outreach, qualification, booking, $700 per month. Still 82% cheaper than hiring a $4,000 SDR. Marketing and content, ChatGPT Plus, Claude Pro, or Gemini Advanced, your content generation engines, $20 to $30 per month. Pick one. Canva Magic Design, free AI design tool. Brand consistency automation. Zapier connects everything, automates workflows across 5,000 apps. Free tier for basics, paid from $20 per month. Customer support. Intercom Fin, AI agent handling 80% of routine tickets. 17% higher satisfaction scores. $74 per month. Finance and accounting. Wave, completely free accounting for solopreneurs. Transaction categorization, invoicing, receipt scanning. Zero cost. Zenny, AI bookkeeping with real-time insights. 80 to 90% task automation. $300 per month. Operations and admin. Notion AI generates notes, tracks tasks, updates status. $10 per month add-on. Calendly, automated scheduling. 4 to 5 hours saved weekly. Free tier, Pro at $12 per month. Gmail AI, email triage, drafting, filing, 2+ hours saved daily. The total cost. Starter stack for validation, $75 per month. Wave, ChatGPT, Cursor, Canva free tier, basic Zapier, free Gmail AI. Growth stack for scaling, $200 per month. Add instantly.ai, Intercom Fin, Notion AI, paid Zapier. Professional stack for 6 figures, $500 to $800 per month. Add B2B Rocket, Zenny, premium tools. Compared to hiring, one employee costs $4,000 per month minimum, plus benefits, plus management time. Even at $800 per month, you're spending 4% of what one employee costs. Let me show you a concrete example. Sahil Lavingia and Gumroad. 10 million in ARR. One employee. The Vibe coding workflow. Step 1. V0. Sahil types a prompt describing the feature. Create a modern, minimal date picker using ShadCN UI. Make it look like linear. V0 generates a UI prototype instantly. Sahil reviews it visually. Tweaks if needed. From idea to visual prototype, 60 seconds. Step 2. Devin or Cursor. Sahil hands the V0 link to an AI software engineer. Implement this into the Gumroad dashboard. Use our existing error handling patterns. The AI reads Gumroad's entire codebase, understands the patterns, implements the feature following established conventions. No junior developer needed, no code review meetings, no back and forth. From prototype to production code, 8 minutes. This only works because Sahil designed his codebase for AI comprehension. Kill global CSS. Migrate to Tailwind. Styling lives inside components. The AI doesn't have to scan 5,000 lines to change a button color. Use modular systems like ShadCN UI. This gives the AI a vocabulary it already knows. Minimize configuration. Sahil's new product, Flexile, has one theme file. 181 lines total. The AI understands the entire styling system in seconds with 100% accuracy. Clean architecture isn't complex. It's actually simpler. Sahil doesn't have traditional employees. He has contractors who work asynchronously. No meetings, ever. If something requires a meeting, it's not worth doing. Everything happens in Notion, Slack, and GitHub. Written communication only. This creates a permanent searchable record, and it allows AI agents to participate directly. Sahil pays contractors top-tier rates because he saves hundreds of thousands by not paying for office space, health insurance, HR staff, or middle managers. The ghost team model. The result: 10 million in annual revenue, 90% profit margins, 10-minute deployments from idea to production. But more importantly, Sahil works on his own terms. No stand-up meetings, no performance reviews, no HR drama, no alignment sessions. He built a business that serves his life, not the other way around. And here's the critical insight. You can copy this exact model. Vibe coding with V0 and Cursor is available for $20 per month. The blueprint is right in front of you. Now, let me show you what an all-in-one platform looks like in 2026. Perplexity Computer launched in February. It's the closest thing to hire an entire company for the weekend. Real example from a user. Build me a personal finance dashboard, tracking Indian mutual funds, pulling live net asset values, showing portfolio performance, and emailing me summaries every Sunday. Computer research data sources, designed the database, built the web app architecture, wrote all the code, deployed it live, and set up automated weekly emails. The user didn't write a single line of code. Enterprise features. Slack integration. Tag @computer in any channel. It answers questions, generates reports, assigns tasks. Business connectors. Snowflake, Datadog, Salesforce, SharePoint, HubSpot. Pulls live data from your actual systems. Custom connectors via Model Context Protocol. Integrate your proprietary databases. Persistent memory. Remembers every project, every preference, every file across sessions. Parallel execution. Runs multiple specialized agents simultaneously for speed. This is orchestrating 19 AI models working together. The performance numbers. An enterprise study analyzed over 16,000 computer queries. Labor cost savings, $1.6 million. Work completed, 3.25 years worth in just 4 weeks. These results were benchmarked against McKinsey, Harvard, MIT, and BCG standards. Not theoretical, measured. For defined tasks with clear outcomes, Computer is a full company in a box. So, why is 2026 the year everything changes? Enterprise adoption crossed 80%. In 2023, only 5% of enterprises used generative AI in production. By 2026, that number hit 80%. Agentic AI went mainstream. In early 2025, less than 5% of enterprise apps were agentic, meaning truly autonomous. By mid-2026, 40% are agentic. We moved from AI that responds to AI that executes. That shift unlocked everything. And the prediction came true early. In 2024, Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei predicted we'd see the first one-person billion-dollar company by 2026. Most people thought he was being optimistic. In February 2026, Peter Steinberger and OpenClaw proved him right. Built over a weekend, acquired by OpenAI weeks later, estimated valuation in the billions. We're not waiting for the future, we're living it. The tools are here. The infrastructure is proven. The examples are real. Let me be honest. Not everyone will build a $3 million solo empire. Not because it's impossible, but because most won't take action. The future is a 3-tier outcome. Tier 1, the orchestrators, 15 to 20%. High AI literacy, irreplaceable skills, strategic thinkers. For them, AI is a force multiplier. They're the Sahils, the Peters, the Maors. Tier 2, the strugglers, 25 to 35%. Routine cognitive work, low AI fluency, being displaced by the agents we're discussing. Tier 3, the unchanged, 40 to 50%. Skilled trades, physical work, in-person services, not elevated, not displaced. The question isn't whether this 3-tier future is fair. It's not. The question is, which tier will you be in? If you want to be in Tier 1, the orchestrators building empires, you need to start learning agent orchestration. Not next year, now. Because the gap between Tier 1 and Tier 2 is widening every single month. The solo founder isn't a cute niche anymore. It's 36.3% of all new businesses. The one-person empire isn't coming. It's here. Here's your action plan. You can start this weekend. Step 1. Pick one painful problem in a niche you understand. Examples: invoice payment reminders for freelancers, compliance tracking for dental clinics, content repurposing for podcasters, resume optimization for job seekers, boring problems, wealthy niches, high willingness to pay. Step 2. Build your first AI agent with free tools. ChatGPT free tier, Zapier free tier, Wave for finance, completely free, Canva free tier, Gmail AI. Don't buy premium tools yet. Validate demand first. Step 3. Manual MVP for your first 10 customers. Do the work manually. Charge real money. Get real feedback. Learn the pain points. Then automate what you've proven works. Sahil Lavingia. Manual valuable process before minimum viable product. Step 4. Automate one function per week. Week 1. Email outreach. Week 2. Content creation. Week 3. Invoicing. Week 4. Customer support. By week 4, you have a semi-autonomous business. Step 5. Raise prices every 5 to 10 clients. As your agents improve, your service gets faster and more reliable. Charge what you're worth. The realistic timeline. Month 1, 10 customers, $500 to $2,000 revenue. Month 3, 50 customers, $5,000 to $10,000. Month 6, 100 customers, $10,000 to $20,000 monthly. Month 12, 300 customers, $30,000 to $60,000 per month. You can quit your job. Peter Levels built 70 projects. 4 made money. 5% success rate. But the ones who succeed keep shipping. Let me be brutally honest. This isn't easy. Most people won't do it. Not because it's technically hard. The tools are easier than ever. But because it requires discipline, focus, iteration, the ability to tolerate failure and keep going. You're going to build things that fail. You're going to waste weekends. You're going to feel like an imposter. But the people who succeed aren't the smartest. They're not the most talented. They're the ones who keep shipping, week after week, month after month, learning from feedback, automating what works, killing what doesn't. The AI agents give you leverage, incredible leverage, but you still have to pull the lever. The tools are here. The infrastructure is proven. The blueprint is in front of you. The only thing missing is you actually doing it. If you like to receive more insight into starting and running one-person businesses, or become more educated about using agentic AI in your existing job situation, hit subscribe and the notification bell icon for several step-by-step AI agent playbooks every week. No hype, no theory, just the tools, the workflows, and the real numbers. Also, hit that like button so YouTube make this content available to more entrepreneurs and those interested in optimizing their use of agentic AI. In the next videos, I'm breaking down specific AI agent workflows, how to build an autonomous sales agent that books meetings while you sleep, how to set up a content repurposing engine that turns one podcast into 50 social posts, how to automate your entire customer support without hiring a support team. I'm also profiling more solo founders, the ones making $50,000, $100,000, $300,000 per month with ghost teams. Their exact tools, their actual workflows, their real numbers. If you want the complete playbook for building a one-person empire in 2026, subscribe. I'm releasing several breakdowns every single week. The future doesn't belong to the biggest companies. It belongs to the fastest learners. I'll see you in the next video.